To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Yadav, who stirred a controversy by targeting religious leader Acharya Dhirendra Shastri, who is popularly known as Bageshwar Baba. Yadav has alleged that many Kathavachaks or religious storytellers charge as much as 50 lakh rupees per event. Taking a direct swipe at Shastri, the Samajwadi Party chief has claimed that such fees are often paid under the table. The statement has sparked a fresh debate over the commercialization of religious sermons in the state. Listen in.
कई कथावाचक हैं जो 50 लाख रुपए लेते हैं। कोई किसी की हैसियत है कि धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री को बुला ले अपने घर कथा के लिए? कोई अंडर टेबल लेगा वो बाबा पैसे? आप पता करवा लीजिए, अंडर टेबल नहीं लेते हैं वो धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री क्या? कथा बाजने की पता नहीं कितनी कीमत होगी उनकी, फ्री थोड़े नहीं।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Adib, who's joining us with more on this. Adib, once again, Akhilesh Yadav making that comment, of course, any reaction that has come in from Bageshwar Baba himself, and what more details do you have of, in what context this was made, this entire statement by the SP chief?
Well, Shreya, see, Akhilesh Yadav on Sunday, he was addressing a press conference where he said that the Kathavachak Bageshwar Dham, Dhirendra Shastri, is taking at least rupees 50 lakh for the kathas, and common people cannot afford the way he charges. And also Akhilesh Yadav went on to allege that he takes the money under the table. So these are the allegations that were leveled by Akhilesh Yadav. He was speaking on the context of the Etawah incident where an incident has taken place in the Etawah district, and now the Akhilesh Yadav has raised allegations on Dhirendra Shastri, the Kathavachak. Meanwhile, the BJP has come down heavily on Akhilesh Yadav. BJP has attacked Akhilesh Yadav, saying that Akhilesh from time and again he seeks an opportunity to insult the Sanatan Dharma, and Kathavachak, speaking about the Kathavachak, is just an accuse. But in fact, he wants to insult the Sanatan Dharma at large, and which is what he has been doing for quite a long time. So the BJP leadership in Uttar Pradesh, and in fact the central leaders also, have targeted Akhilesh Yadav over his remarks that he has made against Dhirendra Shastri, where he has alleged that Dhirendra Shastri charged at least rupees 50 lakh and takes money from the people under the table. So these are the allegations leveled by Akhilesh Yadav.
Okay.
And now the BJP has come down heavily on Akhilesh, targeting him for his anti-Sanatan remarks.
Right, Adib, let's make our viewers listen to once again what Akhilesh Yadav has said about religious sermons and the fee that is paid in them.
कई कथावाचक हैं जो 50 लाख रुपए लेते हैं। कोई किसी की हैसियत है कि धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री को बुला ले अपने घर कथा के लिए? कोई अंडर टेबल लेगा वो बाबा पैसे? आप पता करवा लीजिए, अंडर टेबल नहीं लेते हैं वो धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री क्या? कथा बाजने की पता नहीं कितनी कीमत होगी उनकी, फ्री थोड़े नहीं।
Now, Akhilesh Yadav's statement has sparked a political war of words, with BJP leaders and seers taking aim at the SP chief. Listen in to the political reactions that have come in on this statement.
बागेश्वर बाबा से डर गए हैं अखिलेश यादव, और डरे हुए हैं इसीलिए जाकी रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूरत देखी तिन तैसी। ये लोगों ने जो तांडव मचाया है अपने राज में, जब इनकी राज थी, तो उसी नजर से दूसरों को देखते हैं। ये भी तो परिवारवादी ही हैं,
जो अपने दौरे हुकूमत में मौलवियों को लाखों एकड़ जमीन, हजारों करोड़ की लुटा के उस पे कानूनी हक दे देना चाहते हैं और उस पे कानूनी ठप्पा लगा देना चाहते हैं। वह दान दक्षिणा के ऊपर भी सवाल उठाना चाहते हैं।
अखिलेश यादव जी की ये दिक्कत नहीं है कि वो कथा कहने नहीं आ पा रहे हैं उनके घर। दिक्कत ये कैसे वो हिंदुओं को एक कर रहे हैं। हिंदुओं को एक होने से तकलीफ किसको है, डर किसको है, सबको पता है। और कभी उन्होंने अन्य मजहब के धर्म गुरुओं पे टिप्पणी नहीं किया, सिर्फ सनातन के ही धर्म गुरु पे टिप्पणी किया। आज से कुछ दिन पहले उन्होंने उत्तर प्रदेश के सचिव मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी महाराज पे टिप्पणी किया, उन्होंने कहा वो तो गांजा पीते हैं। ऐसे ऐसे शब्दों का प्रयोग करना सिर्फ हिंदू धर्म गुरु के लिए करते हैं, तो अखिलेश यादव फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए और कुछ नहीं।
All right, with that, it's time for a short break. News and updates will continue on Times Now. Stay tuned.